Doug got the garden plowed up. He said the plow wasn't doing as good this time, but it's good enough for now. And he got called into work, but he got the ground turned over, so that's a good.
Alrighty folks, as you can see, these are tomatoes we started the other day. Now we've only got these 3 trays here, and in the 4th one over there we've got the back row. Up there in the front, they was a little bit slow about coming up, and also these, for some reason right through here, they was a little bit slow coming up. But as you can see, they're starting to come up pretty good now. Lord willing, everything will be alright. We'll keep you updated on these here. But no, it works pretty good most of the time. Have to, try not to fall down here. Having to be easy. I should have went ahead and replaced this plastic. It's starting to get a little bit. Hopefully we'll get this done. Seeds on your tomatoes like that there. Get a little bit of spit on your fingers, hold it there, and then just slowly work them it off. Oh, now watch me. It's a little hard doing it with this one hand. There we go. I seen another. Alright, yeah, back there's one. Don't worry, little guys, I'm going to try not to fall onions. Oh, gracious alive. Stretch, Doug, stretch. Alrighty. Turn around here and show you the peppers. We moved them from the house out here to the greenhouse. Now it's been a little bit cool for nighttime. So what we've done, our one heater, it messed up. So I'll show you here what we've been doing to help out with that. Alrighty, here's our peppers. As you can see, they're getting a little bit pale there. I'm going to have to get them some fertilize. Some of them got a little bit sunburned when we brought them up here. I believe they'll be okay. And then here's some tomatoes I planted, them ones that started. As you can see, they got a little bit sunburn on them too. I'll just pinch them off. Got them in the wicking tub. I think we'll be okay. And then what we've been doing, we've got this one heater here. I've been putting a piece of plastic up here at nighttime. I'll show you here in the finished product here in just a second. We got some styrofoam just sort of blocking this off a little bit there to help hold some heat in. Ain't gonna really worry about it too much until this weekend. It's supposed to be in the upper 30s, lower 40s. Peppers do not like cold. It will stun them when it gets down to about 40. It starts stunting them. Alrighty, let me go ahead and put that plastic up, and we'll go from there. You can see that hole? That's what a groundhog would do. guess I better plug the heater up and turn it on first. Alright. Then I just took clothespins. Hook them onto the cattle panel there. And then of a morning, Carolyn and Dan come up here and they take it off. Alrighty. Like I said, when this coming weekend, when it's supposed to cool down at nighttime pretty good, we'll do a little bit better job. Now all I gotta do, hopefully you can see this here. Let me turn this down. I don't know how it's looking for you folks. Now all I'll do, take this, close it down. Alrighty. And then, as you can see, we need to get some gravel in here also. Now, down here and plug it up. Alrighty. Alrighty, folks. You'll have to look over the mess behind me. We're, Lord willing, going to work on that some this weekend. I don't know what this old mess. I think I may finally start to be getting over it. I don't know. I don't know what it's been. But anyway, hope you all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. And if you would, please keep Tipper and her family in your prayers for Granny. Just keep them in your prayers, folks. Alrighty, have a blessed weekend. We'll be seeing you. Thank you for watching.